Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. We are fine.
Good. Are you good, Burcu, today?
Yeah.
Okay. Today's topic is, as you can see, gender and female roles in British literature. Okay? Now, before starting our lesson, let's do a brainstorm together, okay? I will use it Cogolit's website, okay? And in here, let's write gender and female voices. So, can you give me example, guys? What do you know about, like, when someone says gender and female roles in British literature? What comes to your minds? Yes, Sina?
Gender means, I think, identity shaped by society and culture.
Exactly.
Female refers to biological term, as I know.
So you mean gender, sex, and female. What else? Do you know any author, female author in British literature?
Yeah, Virginia Woolf.
Yes, exactly. Virginia Woolf. What else?
Charlotte Bronte.
Yeah, Charlotte Bronte. Bronte sisters, you know. How many Bronte sisters we have?
3.
Yes, 3. Can you count their name?
Charlotte.
Yes.
Anne.
Emily.
Yeah, Emily.
And the third one is Anne. Yes. Charlotte Bronte. Emily Bronte. And Anne Bronte. So 3 of women that are really famous in British literature, okay? And what else? Can you give me like more example? What does it mean, gender and female roles? Why we don't say gender and male roles, but we say gender and female roles? Because men, they don't have voice?
They have.
But why they say gender and female voice? Yeah, focus on here, guys. Female and male. So, is it easy in 18th and 19th century? Sorry. Is it easy to write some books and publish them in these centuries?
It's so hard. It was so hard.
Why?
To write, because, as I know, this period, women could not live in free.
Yes.
They couldn't. How can I say?
Are they free? Women, are they free?
No,
You mean financially, or they are oppressed by patriarchal societies?
Yeah.
Okay. So, for instance, these centuries include Victorian era, and we learned the term of angel in the house.
Yeah, it's used for women, right?
Yes, it's used for women. But why they say angel in the house? Angel can't be in the outside. She can travel, walk.
No, they just can describe the woman's job in the house.
Exactly. So it is a not feministic thought, you know, in that time, because they say women, they should sit,
Yeah.
they need to obey the husband, manage the household, and that's why they say angel in the house. So that's why we say gender and female roles, because female women, they were oppressed, and their position was determined by patriarchal society status, you know. And what else can you say about that? Like more information to add the brainstorm diagram? What else? Can we say struggle of women?
Yeah.
Okay. Struggle of women in the society.
In this period, women tried to their feelings out inside house, we can say.
Exactly.
To criticize the society, you know.
Exactly.
In the spirit, we can say men, you know, play a very important role in society, but when you look at the woman, it's not possible.
So they don't have voice, they can't write, they don't have financial support, you know. That's why they don't have voice. So in that case, we say gender and female voice. So
you know, voice refers to their freedoms.
exactly. So if they don't have voice,
Real voices.
yes, Ayşegül. If they don't have voice, it means that they don't have thought, they don't have experience, they can reflect it in their work or in outside. So let's say you are a woman in Victorian area, you don't have financial support, you can't write it, you can publish your work. So it means you cannot express your thoughts, experiences, and emotions. So that's why we say struggle of women in the society. So now we have a presentation here. Let's continue from our PowerPoint slides, okay? And the first term we will discuss, okay, is gender and sex. So guys, who wants to tell me what does it mean, gender? Yes, Sümeyye?
As I mentioned before, gender is a concept shaped by culture and society.
Yeah, culture, society, or a person's identity. Okay, these are terms that express gender. But when we talk about sex, is it just
It's a biological.
biological? So gender includes a big cloud, okay? Cloud of culture, society, identity, or as we can see, expressions, behaviors, roles, lots of things contains gender, okay?
Can we say sex and female is the synonyms?
No, we can say because in the sex we have male and female. I mean, we have two sexes in terms of biological, okay? But when we talk about gender, we discuss about roles like man voice, women voice, and person expression, our behaviors, or your identity, how you define yourself, okay? Roles, behaviors, and expressions. So these are the terms that were decided by gender. But when we talk about just sex, you just need to remember that it is just biological issue. Okay? Now we can continue our presentation in a deep way.